Guys, it's Frelly here, known as Ebola. Not Ebola. I'm just showing you guys a glitch, how to get to tier 4 faster. And if you guys are having trouble and you guys keep getting frustrated of how long it's taking, this will take, I'm not sure if it might take shorter time, but you have to exit out, like kill yourself, exit out, kill yourself, repeating. So we're at 25. We're just going to show you how to do it here. So you want to start up the game. I would personally choose lightweight because you can actually run faster and kill yourself. Or if you're in a low rank and then you can't, a low tier, sorry, my apologies, and you can't jump off the map, then you might just want to let the AIs kill you. So as we're going to do right here, we're going to show you both ways. We're going to kill ourselves first. Alright. Boom. Dead. He died from Ebola. Of course. So yeah, we're just going to show you now. Round 1. Alright. 24. We're going to do it again, but we're going to let the AI kill us. And make sure you show a friend the video. Subscribe to get more content. Alright, so just let them kill you. The white controller, though. Alright. Alright, so as soon as the game starts, they're just gonna kill him. Alright, there they are right there. Alright. So they killed him, they just Hadoukened him. And also you can kill yourself by your grenade. So yeah, we're gonna do the grenade wise, and he's just gonna you just exit out. Alright. But we were at 24, right? Or 23. Well, you guys can actually see that for yourselves because we forgot. And we're absolute morons. He's mostly the moron because he didn't check. Alright, so yeah. Just gonna kill ourselves with grenade. Explode. Alright. This is a long video. This is actually a 4-minute video. Maybe a 4.4 15-second video. 4 minute for 15-second video. So yeah, we're just gonna hold the grenade right now. And boom! Look at that airplane. Yeah. Ebola. Alright. So now, I think we're at 22, right? Or 23. Yeah, 22. Yeah, 22. Alright, so see? We did this 3 times in all the type of ways that you could do it. And yeah, did it, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Show your friends. Make sure this gets out there before it gets patched. I want all you guys to be in tier 4 so you can actually experience what it's like. So later, guys. Peace.